Hi, my name is John Erickson. I'm represented by Coast to Coast, and I'm located in Los Angeles, California. Catching the perfect loan is crucial for your business to grow. But who has time to fish? Become finds the best loans for your business in seconds. Just follow 3 easy steps and compare the best offers from dozens of lenders, all in one place for free. You might see me and think, here's a businessman who's got it all figured out, with his cool logo, stylish packaging, and branded neck. But I didn't get this successful just by fishing. I did it by comparing and choosing the right loan. Yeah, there are plenty of loans in that sea. And while some loans are just too big for your business,